Well guys, I'm here in the living room, and who remembers the videos we made about the renovation of this apartment, how it became really spacious, right? We demolished some walls, for example. I want to start here with the kitchen, because this kitchen turned out like something from a movie. Just look at this round range hood with two little pendant lights on the sides and the countertop. Take a look at this stellar white stone. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Honestly, it's what everyone dreams of. And here, do you see this black glass up here? Guys, this is an induction cooktop. Look how cool this is, guys. There's also a video here on the channel showing this product during the renovation phase of this apartment. This is just too beautiful, guys. Just take a look at this. Honestly, isn't it jaw-dropping? This kitchen, the stellar white stone, just look at the furniture, all inox. The glass here, this mirror on the cabinet, it's just so beautiful. And the lighting. We have a recessed linear light, right? With the cool white spotlights. We showed this to you guys during the construction phase as well. And the floor, which is really nice too, a polished rectified porcelain tile, really cool. I'm already here in the kitchen and I want to take the opportunity to show you a bit of the laundry area, which has the stellar gray stone and the custom-made cabinet to make it functional.
Lavanderia ela tem que ser funcional.
So it turned out really nice too, really cool. The laundry area in our client's apartment is also really big, right? And it turned out really nice. Now I want to highlight this kitchen. Guys, honestly, look at this countertop with this stellar white. It's just beautiful. As you walk, the crystals start to appear. Look how gorgeous it is, honestly. And here I want to show a little more of the back here. Look how cool. Look at this surreal kitchen, the kind of kitchen you see in movies, see in soap operas and say, one day I want to have a kitchen like this. This here is the dream of the modern man, right? Let's go in now. On the balcony here we have a wood-style porcelain tile. Really cool too, the barbecue area, also with satin porcelain tile outlining it, and white lighting. Cool, really nice. We have a pattern here on the floor. Here in the living room we have vinyl flooring, right? And here we have porcelain tile, really nice stuff. The idea is this sense of spaciousness. Just look at this apartment. This right here is the dream of the modern man. If you're thinking about buying a car, a motorcycle, if you're young, forget about that. Your real dream is this right here. Look, just take a look and let me point out how the living room flows into the balcony. Look at the spaciousness of this apartment. Guys, just take a look. There's nothing like it. I'm here on the balcony. Remember this wall here. Look, the back, look, the concrete look finish on the wall. How beautiful that is. Also, you have to admit, it really stands out. It gave a nice charm here on the balcony. It turned out really cool too, right guys? And the spaciousness. Now I want to talk to you about this room, the dining room. Just take a look. We have an L-shaped recessed lighting slot with this chandelier. It's really beautiful, isn't it? It matched perfectly. It fit. Really cool. Here, the dining room of our client, the entrance hall, we have this linear recessed lighting slot here. With the coffee corner and our client's wine cellar, so cool. For those who remember, this was once a half bath before we demolished and removed it. And now this entrance hall is integrated as well, very spacious, really nice. And then, moving on from here, we have the TV room. Look how nice, there's a ceiling feature with cool white lighting. We have some spotlights here. Towards the private hallway of the bedrooms and that cool panel where the TV room is formed, being, defined in the ceiling by the feature and decorated with this cool white lighting and also complementing the vinyl flooring, right? Really nice, imitating wood, creating a contrast with the wood look porcelain tile flooring here on the balcony. Honestly, guys, this is a dream. We have to work, consume. To get an apartment like this, we don't have to work to buy a car or clothes or sneakers. We have to dream about an apartment like this. Just take a look at this. Look how beautiful it is. Surreal. I'm here in the living room. I'm coming in here. Now I'm gonna show you the half bath. Look at the half bath. Just take a look at this. Look how cool it is. Who remembers that 3D wall covering back there? We also made videos for you showing that installation. The mirror here, guys, goes all the way across above the sink countertop, and the countertop is in stellar gray. Look how cool it is, guys, and there are two pendant lights there adding to the decor, giving it that nice charm, right? The powder room with cool white lighting turned out really nice too. Very clean and very calm. And coming back to the living room, guys, just take a look at how spacious this apartment is. Look, isn't it amazing? Be honest. This is a dream. I can tell you right now, this is every modern man's dream. Am I right, guys? Coming back to the half bath, now I want to show you our client's office. Look how cool it is. There's even a cabinet, right? The furniture in the back helps pull the room together along with this desk here, all custom made, and there's this slatted panel on the side too, which looks really cool as part of the decor. And here, it had to be functional, right? Our client's office had to be functional so he could work from home and have a very calm environment to do his job. So, our client's office turned out to be a very functional space. Everything also follows the vinyl flooring here from the living room to the bedrooms, right? Let's go in here now to the suite, guys. Just take a look. Following the vinyl flooring as well, we come right into the closet, forming part of the suite, okay? We have this recessed ceiling niche with cool white spotlights. How nice. Look at this beautiful huge wardrobe, right? It goes from one wall to the other, all mirrored. Also, we have wardrobes on both sides. Look how nice. Vinyl flooring, 10 centimeter baseboard, that's cool. And let me show you here. Look at this beautiful suite, guys. Ceiling light fixture. It's something out of this world. Here we have that slatted panel on the side of the double bed with the nightstands. See this pendant light here? This pendant is a smaller version of the chandelier in the living room, right? The one we just saw in the living room looks really cool too, this suite, be honest. Now let me go back here, let me turn around a bit. Here we have the wardrobe setup, right? This wardrobe also has some shelves here with the TV panel and the central light fixture, adding that nice charm to the suite, right? Let me go back to the living room now for you guys so we can wrap up this video on a high note. Check out the chandelier, look. The chandelier we just saw in the suite. This one is a larger version that decorates our client's table. So, what did you think of this tour? I'm sure you loved it, right? Be honest, this apartment turned out really beautiful. It turned into an incredible apartment. You know, that kind of apartment that you look for references on the internet, you research, you ask how to decorate a kitchen, how to choose the color of the furniture, how to choose the ceiling decoration, how to choose the flooring, the living room furniture. It's all here. If you're looking for references, if you're looking for ideas to decorate your apartment, just watch this video here and leave a comment below. What did you like most about the decorations in this apartment? Leave a comment so we can exchange ideas and talk about this decor. I'm sure you liked them. But honestly, guys, this is a really impressive apartment. It's the kind of place that makes you say, I need to work hard to get a place like this, isn't that right? Well, I hope you enjoyed this amazing tour we did here in this beautiful apartment, okay? I asked our client to come here, make this video, and take these photos. We're also going to post a lot of photos on our Instagram in the next few days. From every room and every detail in this apartment to inspire you if you're about to start renovating your own apartment.